of our clients probably can vote. There's probably someone in their family who can't. And I say that as a former elected official, and I don't mean to offend any Republicans in here. But if you're an official, I have no clue how you're a Republican, but that's another story for another day. I have found in this extremely partisan state that the Republicans are going to toe the line. And so while I'm hopeful that we all get together and try to do stuff, I've worked with Senator Rick and I've tried to get Senator Ellis because I know him to do things before he thought it was appropriate for the time to change. So it's like, okay, I work with Brandon a lot, you know what I'm talking about. You know, I agree with you, but they're going to think I've solved our crime. So you can try to talk to senators all you want to. I'm telling you, in the real world, they're not going to do anything if they think it's going to help them get unelected because they're risk averse. And so we, as a defense bar, need to get together. We need to educate people. So, which leads me to my next comment. I'm not with the PD's office, but I do court appointment. If the PD's office can take the lead, since you've been so wonderful on offering free lead that I don't have to pay for anymore, to get some volunteer lawyers, if we have access to these initial bail hearings, I am happy to volunteer once a month or twice a month to man some hours at the initial bail hearings to help with that. We as a bar need to do that because I think that what we can do if we do that, we can start keeping some statistics about the outcomes of the case. And because I know that the DA's office, they actually get paid overtime to like be there all through the night to do those kinds of things. I think the PD's office should take the lead, and I will sign up.
Thanks, Joanna.
Kurt,
Last one.
hey, I've been listening to this. It seems to me we're looking at the wrong end of the problem. I agree with Chuck. Until we educate our judges, we're not going to get anywhere. I mean, they are going to go along with what the prosecutors are recommending. Seems to me this is a good place to start a fight with the judges and the prosecutors. And what I'm wondering is the appeal process. What's the best way to get a judge, to educate a judge? I think to take him up on appeal and to show he's wrong. And so I asked Alex and Mark, have you considered putting together maybe a task force or a group of people who will help all the rest of us appeal a bond hearing or the writ hearing ruling of the judge? In other words, you know, I don't have the time or inclination or the brains to appeal the writ, the bond writ, and that sort of thing. What is the process of appealing in those type situations? Because I think that's where we need to be looking. We have the hearings, just like Yolanda said, we get together, we have these hearings, and then we start taking them up on appeal. And we show where they've gone astray. I mean, is that?
The short answer is you got to file a writ in order to be able to claim it. You have a writ hearing, and they go about it. It's a separate concept. I think it's perfectly appropriate to ask the court to appoint a different attorney for the appeal of that hearing, and put a bug in their ear, appoint the PD's office, and we'll handle that. Absolutely.
I think that's where we need to be headed.
All right, guys. Lunch break. 2 o'clock. We begin to do it. 2 o'clock.
When our grants this weekend.